So my Ape remote is acting up. It's intermittent, but sometimes it trips out like this. So I'm going to replace the battery today. And the battery is one of these guys right here. It is a 2032. I got a 4-pack of these Energizer lithiums from the drugstore. And to replace it, I already kind of got it halfway pulled out here. You got to pull this tray out like so. Okay, there's the old battery. Get rid of that. Here's the new battery with a little sticker on it. We got to pull the sticker off. I guess that's to keep it from making contact with something and maybe tripping out. We'll put the new battery in like that. And then we'll just slide it back in place. Click. And we shouldn't have any problems. So I just did what I thought was a pretty straightforward video on replacing the battery in the Ape remote. I pulled the battery out of the remote. It said that it was a CR2032. So I went to Walgreens and bought a 4-pack of these 2032s and replaced the battery, and the remote seems to be working just fine. But then I posted the video and somebody in the comments section said, well, my remote actually has a CR2025 in it. And the casing on the remote says the CR2025. So what the heck happened here? I opened all of my remotes. I have 4 of them. And 3 of them actually have a CR2025 in them. The one that I had to replace had the 3032 in it. Why? Well, who knows why. You know, I got this remote from Owen. Maybe he replaced the battery with the 2032. I read up on it though, and it looks like you're looking at a 0.7 millimeter difference in the CR2025 and the CR2032. So they're the same battery otherwise. It's just that one's a little taller than the other. So yeah, right on the remote it says to replace it with the 2025. I didn't read that. I just looked at the battery and thought that was a logical thing to do, just to swap it out with the 2032. But ultimately, yeah, Ape recommends you use a 2025. So that's it. I want to clear up any confusion on that. Hope this video helps somebody. And sorry about throwing some weird information out there for you. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.